Guys, so once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the last video I have discussed about exercise 13.1 first bit and second bit, and in this video I will be trying to cover the exercise 13.1 third bit full and fourth bit 1 2 3 questions, and the rest two questions I will be covering in the next video. So now we'll get started with the video, but before we start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also to like this video, share this video, and comment down below if I have done some mistake or how was the video. So let's get started. So what is the first question? It is 512. So we'll write 512. So this number is divisible with 2 table. So 2 how many times? 512. So that is 256 times. So 2 how many times 256 will go in 2 table? Let's try to divide and say. So 2 12s are 24, 16, 2 8s are 16. So 2 128s are 256, 2 64s are 2 32s are 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. So how many times 2? That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we can say that 512 is equal to 2 to the power 9. So hope it's clear, guys. Now we will go for second question. Shall we go for second question? Let's go. So in the second question he is asking 343 to convert into an exponential form. So 343, it is not divisible in 3 table and as well as 2 table. So in which table it is divisible in? It is 7 table. So 7 how many times 343? So we'll do division again. So 7 4s are 28, 63, then 7 9s are 63. So 7 49s are 7 7s are 7 1s are. So 343 is equal to 7 to the power 3. So understood, guys? Hope it's clear with second one. So now we'll go for third one. So third question is, so let me read out the third question. Third question is 729. So 729. So this number is this number is divisible in 3 because the sum of all the numbers like 7 to 9 gives you 18. So it is divisible in 3 table, and as well as this number is divisible in 9 table also. Let's see it is divisible in 9 table or not. 9 8s are 72, 9 came down, then 9 1s are 9. So here we got 81. So 9 81s are 9 9s are 9 1s are. So 729 is equal to 9 to the power 3. So understood, guys? Hope it's clear with third one. Now let's go for fourth one. So the fourth question is, I will read out. Fourth question is 3125. So let's see whether this number is divisible in 3 table or not. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 is not divisible in 3 table. So this whole number is not divisible in 3 table. So is it divisible in 5 table? The answer is yes, it is divisible in 5 table because the last digit is 5, which is divisible in 5 table. So let's try to divide this with 5. So 5 6 ja 30, then 5 2s are 10, here 5 came down, then 5 5s are 25, 0 remainder. So 5 6 25s are 5 6 25s are 3125. 6 25s are 3125. So how many times 625 goes in 5 table? Let's see. So 625. So 5 12s are 60. 25 came down. 5 5s are 25. 0. So 5 125s are 625. So how many times 125 comes in 5 table? Let's see. So 125 divided by 5. So 5 2s are 10. Then we got here 25. So 5 5s are 25. So here we got 0 remainder. So 5 25s are 125. Then 5 5s are and 5 1s are. So 3125 is equal to 5 to the power 5. Means if 5 will be multiplied by itself 5 times, we will get what? 3125. So now we will go for fourth bit. So what is the fourth bit? Fourth bit, identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. So here we have to compare the exponent numbers. So in the first one he gave 4 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 4. So 4 to the power 3, what we get? Let's see. So 4 is multiplied by itself 3 times. 4 into 4 into 4. Then 3 is multiplied by 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. So this is our LHS and this is our RHS. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So 9 9s are 81. So which one is big? So 3 to the power 4 is greater than 4 to the power 3. So understood, guys? Now shall we go for our next question? Our next question is 5 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 5. 5 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 5. 5 into 5 into 5. Then 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. You have to keep brackets. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9 into 3. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. So here we got 125. Here what we will get? 9 9s are 81. 81 into 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 8s are 24. So this side we got 243 and that side we got 125. So we can say that 3 to the power 5 is greater than 5 to the power 3. So this one is greater than this one. So understood guys. Now we will go for our final and the last question, which is 2 to the power 8 or 8 to the power 2. This is our last and final question. And one more easiest way to identify which is the bigger one, that is by seeing the powers. So here 2 to the power 8 and 8 to the power 2. So 2 multiplied by 8 times. So 2 into 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 2. So 2 2s are, we have to keep brackets. 2 2s are 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. So 16 into 16, which gives you, let's multiply by 16. 6 6 are 36. 3 carry over. 6 1 are 6. Plus 3 9. 1 6 are 6. 1 1 are 1. So here 6 came. Here we got 6. Here we got 6 and here we got 15. 5 is here, 1 carry over here. So we got 256. So we got LHS answer 256 and RHS answer we got 8 8 is 72. So RHS answer we got 64. RHS answer 64. So which is the greater one? That is 2 to the power 8. So understood guys. So hope today's video and today's concept is clear. So I am winding up the video here only. Okay, meet you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel. If I have done something mistake, so forgive me for that. The improvement will be definitely and surely showed in the next video. Please don't mind friends. Please don't dislike the video friends. If you will dislike the video, I will feel very sad, because I'm doing this much hard work for you and you are disliking the video. Okay guys, please don't dislike the video and subscribe to my channel. So bye friends.